Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Emmanuel Okafo, and I'll first like to say thank you so much for purchasing this course. In this course, where I'll be giving you value by showing you my technique on setting up animated normal maps inside Blender. This is not a new technique. This has existed since the Stone Age, but I will show you a very streamlined technique that is going to make it easy for both beginners and advanced users to follow up with this tutorial. I promise you value by purchasing this course, so you're going to be getting it. Everything has been broken down into 6 different videos. I could have put it into one long hour or hour and a half video, but I felt it's more necessary to break it down into several videos to make it easy for everyone to understand the mindset that brings everything together. So I hope it's going to be fun for you as much as it was fun for me for making it for you. And yeah, so I wish you luck as you embark on this quick journey on learning this new workflow. My email and contact address are there. So if you have any specific question, which maybe the course could not give you, you're going to get priority response when you email me. So thank you guys for purchasing. Enjoy yourself.